think the recording has started. So yeah, wait 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, the main topic for today would be like the crude oil. It is up 3.5%. If you see the seasonality index, you would see a sharp high rise and a like. It's not a traditional following seasonality, right? Because of Trump doing Trump things. So, if we talk about this high jump from like 60 round mark to 120, that is the starting of US Iran war. This downward trend is when the deal happened and everything, and this is now when the Strait of Hormuz is again closed. So, yeah, I have put up a small 0.01 lot buy. Uh, I got 215 pips. So yeah, oh shit, I think you can't see, right? Okay, yeah, this one. I did bought at 84 and it's at 87 right now. Ah, so this is what I was like showing. It is from past 5 weeks. It is at all time high, uh, and yeah, it's at major resistance. I'll be honest. If it crosses the 90 mark, then it will be like US oil, UK oil, Brent, it will be like close to around the all uh, previous all-time highs, right? Yeah, but you know, if you know about me, if you know about Ishimoku, you know it is kind of missing two or three things. First, the cloud hasn't been turned green. The two lines are not above the cloud. The price is also not above the cloud, and the Chico span should be also above that. So what I'll say is it will go up one day. It will form an wave, two n wave, and then will go like this, right? This is the uh, path I think the US oil will be following, right? Forming an N wave and then going up. A 4 hour you can see a very good buy. Like I have taken a buy from like this during 4 hour confirmation, right? I have a SL right down here and likely to follow it to here, right, or to the all time high. If the price, if you say okay, it's today 3% up, so it can come down, right? It can come to the lower part of the Kumu or to the lines. I know I can expand my SL to here. If I have to capture the long part, then I have to sacrifice some push down, right? So this was about the oil, and you will see gold is also following the same path. It is also going up, but yeah, it's sometime gold and US oil correlation doesn't go that way that you accept it to be. Like if in the past few weeks you will see gold also coming down and oil also is coming down, so sometimes there is correlation doesn't go hand in hand. I'm bullish, certainly on gold, uh, but if the war doesn't like prolong as much, after the break of 4200 level, I think I would like to take a buy, right? I'm right now I'm not bullish. Right now I have opened a sell. If I show you a small sell, and it is giving me small profit, right? You see, I have opened a small point zero 0.01 lot of in action CFD over, and it is giving me a small profit, right? So what I want to see is a 4200 level break, for me to go along on it, or to have a mindset of a buy, right? Okay, we'll talk about Nifty Indian markets. See, two three things in there, right? It has been ranging from the past 2 or 3 weeks, 2 or 3 months, sorry, from the May to the July, and it is coming and it is still ranging. It can't go above this level, right? If you see the mark level or the red baseline, it can't go up. The future cloud is also not green. The Chico span is also not above. The price is also not above, and the cross hasn't happened. The gold cross hasn't happened, right? Which is responsible for taking the market up. So if you are someone doing intraday scalping, then I think it is good. Like I do sometimes, then it is good. Like you do a trend follow or a momentum type strategy type you have, like I do, then I think you can take money from it. Uh, if you want to do like a hold and a buy setup type thing, you have to wait, right? Wait till the market crosses above this line, about 24 320. Same in the DXY. If you say DXY is in upward upward like trend, but it has to cross the 102 level, right? If it has to form a trend, and then we can have a good buy, right? If you saw the 2022, you see this. If this is what we are going to see, we need to see US oil price going up, and Fed doing Fed doing rate cuts, and you know the inflation has to go up for the US dollar to go up, and US dollar is going up because of US oil is going up. You have to know that US oil is a major confluent of inflation. If the oil prices are high, the inflation would be high. It will not certainly impact now, but you will see that the inflation will go up because of oil. US oil, I am in sell trade in this because I think it has some downward trend in it, and yeah, it can go down. If you see, if I show you this, you see this is a bar chart X account, and they post something very important. They now more than 70% chance of rate hike by September. You see Japanese borrowing rate climb to 21st century high. Okay, China's birth rate. Yeah. SPY has recaptured his lumber. Okay. Yeah. Bearish bets on the stock market have reached near record high levels. This is what I want to show you. That short interest percentage of shares outstanding holds near record. The short interest or the put in the stock market of the US has been on the all-time high. If you see, and there is also a chart. 24 largest stocks now account for more than 50% of the S&P 500 total market cap. You read that 24 stocks account for more than 50% of S&P 500 total market cap. The highest market concentration in history and far surpassing the peak of dot-com bubble. In 2000, the dot-com bubble, right, 35%, and now more than 50%, right? No, I think it's a list of companies, okay, on the x-axis. Okay. So what I think is this is a bubble. I will say yes. S&P 500 price has moved direction 52 trades, equaling the total during the dot-com bubble. Yeah, probably fine. A good account to follow. I'll suggest you to, you can follow it, right? And yeah, on the silver, you can see a major downward level. If I show you gold, if it didn't break this 4200 level, the next level it will stop is 3500, right? Yeah, from the 4000 to the 3500, brutal breakdown is incoming, right? If the inflation still goes on and on. Okay, so from this 4200 level, if it doesn't break, then you can see the uh, the past support or the next support would be on the 3500 levels, right? This is what I think is likely to happen, I think, because if it does break the 4200 level and the US oil and the war situation still is going on, then I don't think the gold, the precious metal in the fact will go up, right? It's a now or never for the silver, as you've seen. uh, a simple break and it will go down, right? More better on the future, that see the two lines are above, but and the red line is there, the green line is there. I think it will take some time, 1 or 2 week more, and the line would be here, right? This is all what we want to see, a big down, right? It is probably market just turning up to go down. US 100 weekly, you can see level, yeah, a good level to watch for, I think. It is also been in a major indices, UK 100, DAX, Nasdaq, or the S&P 500, or the Nifty Indian market is all range, right? In the weekly, if you see, all will be range. HK50 is the only one. HK50 and Korean one is the only one which I think are not in range. They are down. Okay, same in gold. Okay, so the Bitcoin situation is kind of different from all of these, but same in kind of a manner that it is also going down. Uh, but from the past few weeks, it is going up. So, what you all say is, will it break this level, the previous resistance, or the major resistance of it 2000? I think no, a big no. What will Bitcoin will do, if you ask me? Spend some time here, and then come below 60,000 level, right? Why do I think so? Because of very strong weekly trend, right? Uh, there are cycles in Bitcoin, and this cycle hasn't been completed yet. So it will be some time before it went to 50,000 level, right? So yeah, if you have to acquire Bitcoin, you should wait for quite some time, or a weekly break. If you see, every time Bitcoin has broken weekly, it has formed an all-time high. You can see here. You can see here. So the next time it will be breaking it, it will be 250 or 180 or something like that, right? If you see, every time it has formed a high wave, or the next high, it is like 30 or 60% up, right? So it is likely to be 200 or 25k level, right? So if you want to acquire them, you can do so in your CFD brokers, or you can do so in other things, right? Okay, I'll show you JP 2025. I have taken a short position in there. uh, the region is more of a news based, right? Okay, sure. this is a tweet of the BOC. You can say leak. Japan wealth is continuing by any means necessary. This is like, yeah, end of PN carry trade in a single in a single word. It is like US treasury is going down. US, uh, what can I say more about that? Right, turning point of the century. Yeah, we are here. History of bubbles and where we are now. This this one will be the hardest, right? So yeah, I have sold it because of this reason. I would like to see a sharp sell or for a longer period of time, right? The next is support is here, so yeah, I would hold till here 60,000 level, 59, 62,000 level. I had put up a sell in Euro USD, um, because of the price action and the USD. What is DXY doing because of that? And I have put up a buy in USD CAD because CAD is the weakest performing currency, and this W formation, what it is doing, and a N wave formation. I think this is a very good formation, and it can give me a lot of flips, right? This is the only reason I have taken a buy in this. USD JPY I have not taken a buy or sell. I am just waiting to short it, right? If it goes down, then I will just short it. And I like to short CHF JPY too because it doesn't have swap, right? So I think I can short it and earn a good amount of money right here. Yeah, we talk about major things. If you want to know about any other thing, you can just comment down below, and we will talk about it. Right. The US 100, it is just going down. Okay. You can see my all positions are here. Euro USD 0.1, USD 0.01, JP25, it is 6 lot. SASD 1, this 0.1, this is 0.1. I don't know if I'll open this, um, if I'll be like continuing with this tomorrow, but yeah, I think most likely I'll hold it. If you see, I think our downward momentum is still likely to happen. If you see 59 or 60,000 club, I think, yeah, uh, this can happen. Likely to see 15 minutes API. Yeah. In US Tech, point 0.1 lot is not quite more much, but it is currency value is like quite high. So you can see the currency value is lowest in, I think, USD CAD. Okay, I don't know what this matters. Okay, I can show you pips, right? 1400 waves, 8700, 378 pip, 774, 7.8, 6.0. uh, we'll see what will happen tomorrow. We'll make a video tomorrow too. Count is 120 right now. We'll see if the downward trends continue. uh, I have taken a sell in this market because of 4 hour and day time frame too. I am waiting for just sell in this market. uh, it is because of macro, and it is because of price action mainly too, right? I'll first cut these two right Yeah, Euro also I don't want to watch. I want to watch this types of pair, and yeah, if you see, I'll just do here. If you see USD, US Tech, Nasdaq, and JP 2025, Nasdaq, Nikkei, you will see a similarity, right? So I have opened a big position on Nikkei. We'll see what will happen. Uh, okay, this is for it today. I think I don't have anything to show you. Yeah, I have this quote too. Gold is money, everything else is credit. JP Morgan 1912. Very, very good quote. Everything is credit, gold is only money. If you don't have physical gold, there is no alternative for that. Yes, insiders are selling stocks at right. Uh, if you are seeing this, you are saying, yeah, the market is going down for sure. Yeah. Okay, you can follow this account Trend Spider too. Right. What's this in server account? If like, I think this also show what is happening. Hmm. Yeah, QQQ is also, if I want to show you, like when sometime I do scalping or like a short buy or sell on the New York Open, then I see the QQQ. QQQ is like a what they say index or a, like it is an ETF, but it is like Nifty. It open at the New York Open and it is not open 24/7, and it does give a good direction where to take a trade. If you are a momentum or swing trader like me, then you can benefit from it. Like uh, this one, I have taken a buy on that breakout and hold till the like the price doesn't come fell off. Yeah. Uh, okay, I'll show you the seasonality. See the US 100 seasonality for a moment. You will know what will happen next, right? Till the late of August, it is coming down, and in the September it will go up, right? So this is what my plan is, to sell till then and buy after September, right? If you see gold is going against the seasonality, but yeah, I would be likely to buy after this line September, right? After the September, this I think it will form a new rally. UK oil, I think till September nothing else. In the late part, you see a big diversion. So I likely to see in October or December, because in late part of the year it does quite a rally sometimes, right? Uh, if I have to show DXY, then yeah, DXY too. After the after this phase, it goes down or it goes up. So depending on the Trump mind, it will, after September it will does something, right? Okay. This is the major seasonality things which I want to show. Yeah, this is for today. We'll come up for something like this tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.